What's up guys, it's Grant bringing another video, and today's going to be the start of a new series. I'm going to be building a new gaming PC. So it's not entirely new. Here's what I ended up doing. I was going to sell this entire thing and buy like a gaming laptop or something. I made a video that I'm selling this. This is obviously the PC that I did the whole series on before that got like half of my channel's subs and views, the building this PC series. So basically what's happening is I decided I'm going to take this PC, which is huge, and like the whole reason I wanted to get rid of it, or not like wanted to get rid of it, but kind of had to, was like for college, this just won't work, because the box that this goes in is massive, like another foot. So that just won't work, bringing that back and forth all the time. So I got a smaller PC case, and I'm basically just going to reassemble this entire PC in the new case. So I'm not going to say the case yet, but in the next video, I'm going to start building it. Today is just going to be kind of disassembling this, but I'm not sure like what all is going in the new PC, like in terms of fans and stuff. So also the color's different, so like this will be gone, like everything white will be gone and replaced with something black, because the new theme's like black and like, well, it's going to be RGB, so I can make it any color, but I'll probably just keep it like black and like black light purplish. Should be pretty cool. So yeah, today we're just going to be taking this apart. For the most part, everything you see here is going to be gone except for the CPU. I had to get a new motherboard for the smaller case, obviously, and I'm going to use one of the 1070s, which I put down there. And so I'm still selling the 1070. And then I got the newest motherboard, so it's like compatible with the new chipset as well, or the new generation Intel processors, so the new i9 as well as the new i7. Which I might, upgrade to in the future, and but it also works with this, which is awesome. So I got like a brand new motherboard. In terms of storage, we're getting rid of the hard drive and SSD, and I got an M.2 form factor SSD, and then also in the future we'll upgrade the new PC to an RTX. So yeah, today, like I said, I know I've been rambling, but we're gonna take this whole PC apart basically. And in the next video, we're going to start to assemble the second one. It'll probably just be 2 videos. It's not going to be like a whole week thing like last time, because I had parts coming in like every 2 days, and then I just add them, make an update. Today, I got all the parts. So next video, we're just building. But yeah, I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'll be back in a little bit once this is all taken down. Alright, so the back is an absolute mess. Got the scissors. We're just going to start cutting zip ties, honestly. I don't even know where to start, but I'll show you progress in like a few minutes. Alright, well, this is taking a lot longer than expected, but at least we're making progress. Got most of the zip ties off, starting to unravel some wires. Now I just gotta undo some wires on this side. Got all the things plugged into the motherboard on the bottom. Gotta take the graphics card out, undo the whole water cooler system, these wires and everything else. Got some more parts out, most of the cables just laying around. Everything's out over here. I couldn't get this one screw out, so it's taking me forever to get all the stuff out of the channel and all entangled. And then also like the fans. I forgot the fans go into like an RGB hub, and then into like a power hub, and then into like six different places. So maybe the fans aren't as simple as I thought, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna even include them on the new setup, because I have like regular fans that don't need all that in the basement, as well as like other parts. So like power supply as well. Not sure which one I'll use. Probably will use this one, because I won't really need a 1000 watt, and that's all I have in the basement. But yeah, making progress. About to take the CPU block off, and then probably take out all the fans, followed by the motherboard. And then this PC will be just about taken apart. Okay, I'm back. It's like probably half an hour later. I got like most of the fans undone. I just got 2 more left in the radiator. Cleaning them off, they're all dusty. And then I got the CPU blockhead out, and then next is the motherboard after I finish this. But yeah, it's kind of a mess, but we're making progress, so that's good. So I got the rest of the fans off, cleaned them all up, and this is pretty much bare bones, this PC right now. So yeah, so just the motherboard left to take out. And then we're gonna like reassemble this, put all the glass panels back on, and just get this out of the way. And then it's time to start unboxing some stuff from the other videos. Finally got all the parts out of the PC case. It's been like maybe an hour so far. Now I just gotta take the CPU and RAM out, and then we're basically done. Alright, that's done. Gotta clean this off, but other than that, everything's completely officially disassembled. Gonna reassemble this. So I got the RAM out, CPU's there, still need to clean that, but literally everything's apart now, officially. My room's a mess, but this is basically bare bones, like I said. So afterwards, I'm gonna like put this back together, and then that'll go for sale. But I did take the RGB strips and all the fans out of it, so I'm probably just gonna sell it as it is. But yeah, there's gonna be like probably, I'm not sure how many videos like the building part is gonna be. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know it's not that exciting. This is actually me just taking apart this entire build instead of building, but the next video will be building. So stay tuned to that. I'll probably put it like a day or two after this. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.